Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Notion using the subtract operator. This is incredibly useful when you need to calculate differences between values in your database, like tracking expenses versus income or monitoring inventory changes. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page that contains your existing table. Once you're there, look at the top of your table and click on the option that says plus add a property. This is where you'll create a new column to display your subtraction results. Now you'll need to name this new property. For this example, let's call it net income, though you can name it anything that makes sense for your specific use case. After naming it, you'll see a menu asking you to select the property type. From this menu, choose Formula. This tells Notion that you want this column to perform calculations rather than just store static data. Once you've selected Formula, click into the Formula editing box that appears. This is where the actual math happens. You'll type your subtraction formula using this format, prop number 1. The key here is to replace number 1 inch and number 2 inches with the exact names of the properties in your table that contain the values you want to subtract. For instance, if you're calculating net income, you might use prop revenue. Make sure the property names match exactly what you've named them in your table, including any capitalization or spacing. After entering your formula, press Done to save it. You'll immediately see the new net income column populate with the subtraction results for each row in your table. Notion automatically calculates the difference for every entry, saving you from having to do manual math. Take a moment to verify that the values displayed are correct and make sense for your data. If something looks off, you can click back into the formula property and adjust the property names to ensure they match your table's labels exactly. This is a common step if you've recently renamed columns or if there are slight spelling differences. To test that everything's working properly, try adding more rows to your table or updating the numbers in your original columns. You'll notice the subtraction results update in real time, which is one of the most powerful features of using formulas in Notion. Once you've confirmed everything is calculating correctly, save your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.